Hello? What are you talking about on the telephone? Rara? Where you gone? Kayla? Hello? Oh, hello, Kayla. Are you back? Oh, it's a secret. Oh, yes. About clapping hands? Tell me more, tell me more. You was praying and looking around when you prayed. Oh, it was sad. It was so sad. Kayla, are you still on the phone? Angry? Why are you so angry? What happened? No. Really? Is that a true story or are you making it up? You're telling the truth. But then why your face tell me you're lying? Where's the telephone? Are you on speakerphone? Because I see you not holding the phone to you. Are you on speakerphone? Oh, you need to speak with your hands. That's why you put me on speaker, hey? Are you ashamed that you hide away? Oh, hello, you're back on private conversation. Hello, you're back on having our private conversation. They came from far and went close. And then you squished them into the table. And you clapped for yourself. Really? Oh, this is a very interesting conversation. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, you can't be serious. Truly? Are they stupid? They just did not get it into their heads. Red Indians? You were getting attacked by Red Indians? You can't be serious. There was a helicopter. Did it land? Show that out land. Like that. And then what happened? Oh, it went up so quickly. Was it evacuating the Red Indians? And then it crashed. Ah! No! Yes. Another one came. And also crashed. Oh no. You can't be serious. Yes, Dad is listening. Lots of them came. And they danced. And then the rain came. And the sun. Together. Really? Hello. Still listening? Yes, I'm still here. You turned me on speakerphone, you turned me off speakerphone, you turned me on speakerphone, you turned me off. Yes, I'm here. I'm here, right here, don't say where. Yeah. Yeah, true. Yes, it's me, Dada. I know, I'm confused too. You got red hair. Yes. Yes, I'm here. Who are you looking for? I'm Dada. Dada. Okay, bye. No, you're still talking, sorry. I'm here. Kayla. Kayla. On the phone again. Yes. Is it poor reception? Hello? I'm here! Poor reception! I can't hear you, you can't hear me! This Vodacom, Cell C! Yes? Oh, where's the airtime? It's running out and there's no signal in the air. Are you praying for signal? Is it back? Did you find it? Did you hold your phone up in the sky? Hello. Hello. Really? And where did they go? They came to see you. Oh, just around. Yeah. I love you. Yes. We're going around in circles. I agree in this conversation. Up and down, left and right. Does Dada have his head in the clouds? Is that why you keep looking up? Oh. Why are you hiding the phone under the table? The helicopters are back! The helicopters are back! Show Daddy what happened with the helicopters. They were flying. And then what happened? Then what happened? They're still going. Lots of helicopters, hey? Yeah. Oh, crashing helicopters again. Or did it just land softly? This crashing is serious. Yes, I'm here. What are we going to do? Is it an emergency? Yes, I'm here. Oh, are they flying all over there? Hello? Kayla? Oh, it's sad. Is it difficult having a conversation with Dada? What are you grabbing out the sky and eating? Are you eating helicopters out the sky? Is it tasty? Yes. 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 Tata helicopters! Okay, it's hitting the wall. I'm listening! Hello. Hello. Oh, conversation's over. Say goodbye! Bye-bye, Dada! Say bye-bye, Dada! Bye-bye, thank you. Put the phone down! Put the phone down! Put the phone down! Oh, hello. I'm still here. You say goodbye. Okay, bye-bye.